My name is Sobhit. I am currently pursuing PGDM in IMI New Delhi and I am a first year student here. Yeah, actually I have come through very visualization tools and among them Power BI is the most popular, and I thought of that let's do a full-time course over it. Yeah, actually I'm finding it out that it's really helpful because in other tools also that was just an overview whatever I have learned, but actually this portion I am getting it very helpful. The content is really good because it is linking with Excel and also Power BI, and we are mostly using Excel in our previous work life also, so it is a connecting point also. Yeah, the trainer was actually very good because apart from the only theory and practical thing of this course, there are some other things also which are related to this, and he has also work experience in many industries and how what are the challenges we actually face in corporate world. They actually link with them, so this is very helpful. Yeah, actually from current business point scenario, this course is actually very helpful for all the managers, future managers. So I will recommend this obviously.